Hi, this is Dr. Dhara Vyas. Today we will learn the human physiology. You know the physiology, it is a normal functioning of the body, and today we will start with the digestive system proper. The chapter name is digestion and absorption. Here the main component of food. First of all, digestion के लिए food necessary है, तो we will start with the basic topic कि food में कौन कौन से ingredients that is component होते हैं. First that is carbohydrate, second is protein, third that is lipid, as you can say fat also, then minerals and water. We will go simultaneously that carbohydrate, protein and fat that is required for energy. First of all, it's for energy. Second, for growth and repair. Okay. Energy is provided by the carbohydrates. Then protein and fat, they are responsible for growth of the body. You will study further in the cell cycle or cell repair that the protein is main component. Okay. Then we will switch over the vitamins and minerals. It is required in very trace amount, that is in very small amount. But vitamins, it will be act as a, I am talking only about vitamin, it will act as a coenzyme, coenzyme. That is, it will be help out enzyme to function very effectively. Okay. Then water, as you know, major component of the body, 60 to 70% is water. Okay. Then what is digestion? Digestion is the process by which the complex food substance convert into the simple or absorbable form. Here, what do you mean by complex food substance? We will take example that for if you take roti or chapati, okay, it mainly contain wheat. Wheat, it is a form of carbohydrate. Okay, carbohydrate, we will further go in the depth that it is made up of polysaccharide. Polysaccharide, that means many molecules of the glucose which is connected by the glycosidic bond. That means it is a complex form, right? It is not soluble in water. यानी वो पानी में soluble नहीं है, हमको इसको simple form में convert करना है. So by mechanical method and by biochemical method, that polysaccharide will be break down into the simple soluble form, that is a glucose, as you normally say that glucose. Okay. So mechanical process it include that it mainly done by the teeth. दैट इज़ मैस्टिकेशन. हम बोलते हैं ना कि हमको नॉर्मली ऐसे बोलते हैं हम मेडिकल में कि फूड को च्यू बहुत बार च्यू करना पड़ता है, अराउंडली 30 to 40 टाइम्स हमको एक जो निवाला बोलते हैं उसको च्यू करना पड़ता है. ओके. सो बाय टीथ, टंग, इट इज़ वेरी यूजफुल. इट विल बी मिक्स द सलाइवा एंड मेक द फूड सॉफ्टन. ओके. एंड मेक द बोलस, हम उसको बोलस बोलते हैं. ओके. देन पेरिस्टालसिस मूवमेंट. Peristalsis, it is done by the esophagus and small intestine. Mainly हम बोल सकते हैं कि ये jejunum है और ileum है. They are performing peristalsis. Peristalsis, that means contraction and relaxation of the tubes, so that food will be move forward. क्योंकि हम खाना तो खा लिया, ठीक है, बट फूड जाएगा कैसे? एक तो ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स तो उसको यूज करते हैं कि हेल्प करता है टू प्रपोज द फूड, बट this peristalsis movement is very useful. Okay. Then we're talking about the biochemical method. Here enzymes and digestive juices. There are various types of digestive juices. We are talking about that salivary juice. Okay. Then bile, pancreatic juice. Okay. That is called, then succus entericus. Okay. That is the intestinal juice. This all juice are very useful for biochemical method, that is process. Now we will take the digestive system. Digestive system comprises of alimentary canal and associated gland. Alimentary canal, it is start from the mouth till the anus. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हो, I will draw the figure, the label is remaining. This is mouth and this is anus. This is all known as alimentary canal. In medical we are say that GIT, gastrointestinal tract. Okay. Then associated gland, there are 3 associated glands, that is salivary, liver and pancreas. Salivary gland that is present in the mouth, then liver and pancreas, it is abdominal organ. First of all, clear up your doubt that what is abdomen and what is thorax. This is known as diaphragm. This portion, it is flap-like organ made up of muscles that separated the thoracic cavity and abdomen. Okay, this is diaphragm. It is made up of around 4 to 5 muscles. Okay, यहाँ इससे ये thoracic cavity and abdominal cavity डिवाइड होती है. अब जो thoracic cavity में organs है उसको हम organ ही बोलेंगे, like lung है, liver है. Okay, then esophagus वहाँ से जाती है, यहाँ से ये trachea जाएगी. Okay, but abdomen में जो organ है हम उसको medically viscera बोलते हैं. Like stomach, it is viscera. हम stomach को organ नहीं बोलते. मैं मेडिकल की बात कर रही हूँ बिकॉज ये मैंने मेडिकल किया है. ओके, सो एंड लीवर, दिस इज गॉल ब्लैडर, दिस ऑल आर विसेरा, नॉट द ऑर्गन. ओके, बट लीवर के लिए हम बोलते हैं कि इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट ग्लैंड ऑफ द बॉडी. ओके, नाउ वी विल लेबल आउट. Today we will learn only the label or location of the organs and viscera. In next lecture we will go for each and every topic in detail. Okay, so first this is oral cavity. It will be start from the lips, okay, then tongue, then teeth or vestibule cavity उसको वो भी बोलते हैं. Then this one is 3 gland. This is sublingual and submaxillary. Salivary gland. Sublingual, that is below the tongue. Lingual word stands for tongue. वो टंग के एग्जिट नीचे प्रेजेंट है, इसीलिए हम उसको बोलेंगे सबलिंगुअल ग्लैंड. whereas submaxillary gland, maxilla, that is पार्ट ऑफ द फेशियल बोन. नॉर्मली हम इसको स्कल बोलते हैं. ओके, 24 बोन्स होते हैं, तो यहाँ पर ये जो पूरा पोर्शन है दैट इज कॉल, हम उसको फेशियल बोन बोलते हैं. दिस इज टेम्पोरल. ओके, दिस इज फ्रंटल, दिस इज टेम्पोरल, दिस इज जाइगोमेट्रिक एंड मैक्सिलरी, दिस इज कॉल्ड मैंडिबल. ओके, सो ये मैक्सिला में प्रेजेंट है, इसीलिए उसका लोकेशन है मैक्सिला के बिलो, सो दैट सब मैक्सिलरी ग्लैंड. ओके, देन दिस इज अ पैरोटिड ग्लैंड. पैरोटिड ग्लैंड, इट इज़ द लार्जेस्ट सलाइवरी ग्लैंड. 3 ग्लैंड है, 3 पेयर ऑफ सलाइवरी ग्लैंड, उसमें से लार्जेस्ट सलाइवरी ग्लैंड कौन सी है? पैरोटिड ग्लैंड. ओके, देन दिस ट्यूबुलर पोर्शन दैट इज कॉल्ड ईसोफेगस. ईसोफेगस के पहले उसके ऊपर ये फेरिंग्स है. फेरिंग्स इज अ कॉमन पैसेज फॉर फूड एज वेल एज एयर. उसमें से एयर भी पास होती है. एयर विल बी एंटर इनटू दिस ट्रैकिया and food will be passed on to the esophagus. Okay, now esophagus will be open, but it will pass through the diaphragm and then open into the stomach. This is a stomach which is a J-shaped organ. आप देखोगे उसका शेप कैसा है? J-shape. So I will write here this J-shaped organ. उसकी नॉर्मल कैपेसिटी 800 ml है. when it is will be but you can eat 1 liter or so also. Okay, then this is the liver, largest gland of the body, around 1.2 to 1.5 kg उसका weight है. मैं यहाँ पर लिख देती हूँ. Okay, and it is also known as a chemical gland of the factory या फिर chemical factory बोलते हैं. and this is a small associated gland with the liver known as gallbladder. gallbladder का function है to store the store the bile juice which is synthesized by the liver. Okay, this gland known as pancreas. Okay, it is known as exocrine as well as endocrine gland of the body. Exocrine, that means it secretes the digestive juices, and endocrine, it secretes the hormones, that insulin and glucagon, which is responsible for the carbohydrate metabolism. Okay, then this small intestine divide into 3 parts. One is duodenum, second is jejunum and third is ileum. देखो दिस पोर्शन यू शेप ऑर्गन है या फिर सी शेप भी बोलते हैं. दिस इज कॉल्ड डिओडिनम. दिस इज डिओडिनम. देन this is jejunum, and this coiled portion that is called ileum. यानी स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन 3 पार्ट में डिवाइडेड है, डिओडिनम, जेजुनम एंड इलियम. नाउ इलियम ओपन इनटू द लार्ज इंटेस्टाइन, but the junction where the large intestine and small intestine are joined, which are demarcated with the red, that is called cecum. सिकम जंक्शन है जहाँ पर लार्ज और स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन कनेक्ट होते हैं. ओके, एंड सिकम हैव अ फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन. दिस इज, यू कैन सी ओवर हियर, दिस फिंगर लाइक प्रोजेक्शन नोन एज अपेंडिक्स. अपेंडिक्स उसके लिए ऐसे बोलते हैं कि वो वेस्टिजियल ऑर्गन है. दैट मीन इन आवर फोर फादर इट वॉज फंक्शनली एक्टिव, बट राइट नाउ इन आवर बॉडी इट इज़ नॉट यूजफुल because then in older days we are eating raw food. Okay, so cellulose content was very high. Here there is presence of cellulase which digests the cellulose. Okay, but अब तो हम सारा बॉयल करके और अच्छे से कुक करके खाते हैं, so we do not require that enzyme, but cattle में अभी भी वो present है. Okay, फिर this is a large intestine. Again it is divided into 3 part. जो ऊपर की साइड पर जाता है उसको बोलते हैं असेंडिंग कॉलॉन. ओके, क्योंकि वो उसकी डायरेक्शन कहाँ पर है, एट द अपर पार्ट. और ये जो ट्रांसवर्सली लोकेटेड, उसका नेम सिंपल है, ट्रांसवर्स कॉलॉन. ओके, और जो नीचे जाता है दिस वन, दिस इज कॉल्ड डिसेंडिंग कॉलॉन. And now descending colon open into the rectum. This store the feces. This is called rectum, and this is a anus. Okay. Again we summarize. This is oral cavity. It contains teeth, tongue. Then I forget to mention the palate, soft palate and hard palate. Then this is a salivary gland, that is sublingual and submaxillary gland. This is parotid gland. Okay. Then this is a common passage known as pharynx for food as well as the air. Pharynx open into the esophagus. Okay, esophagus 23 to 25 centimeter long है. Then it will be open into the stomach. Stomach is a J-shaped organ that is a reservoir of the food. Then after stomach open into the small intestine. Small intestine have a 3 portion. First is duodenum, second jejunum, and third is ileum. Okay, then small intestine connect with the large intestine through the cecum. This is cecum. Cecum open into the large intestine. They have again 3 part. First is ascending colon, second is transverse colon, and third is descending colon. Now colon open into the rectum and anus. In next session we will start with the teeth proper, that is oral cavity.